Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're going to be doing some packaging videos today. So I've got a few orders. I have brought them out already. I have printed out the packing slip for both UPS and Royal Mail. So they're just behind me here. It's not really a lot today, but we're going to try and get through them as quickly as possible. So we had some deliveries like earlier today and over the weekend. So I've just like unpacked everything, and I start to be coming in tomorrow to like get everything sorted. But in the meantime, I want to like get through quite a lot of the orders, so we're not having too much pending, and then we can focus on restocking the shelves because there is quite a lot to stock from the deliveries we've just had. So I'm just going to go through this as quickly as possible, and I just thought I would take you on the journey and show you what I am getting up to. I'm going to move the camera like a bit closer as well. And yeah, so what I've managed to do is I have brought out the things we're going to be shipping. I have done the shipping label as well, and that's for both UPS and Royal Mail. So I'm just gonna like get onto it as quickly as possible with as little noise as I can. Get through this. Okay. Just gonna puncture holes in this one. So I've not done any of this. Oh, actually, I did the last packaging video I did, which would be going up on. Should have gone up on my channel already. This was like it was over a month ago. So I just thought I would try, and even though like someone does quite a lot of the packaging, I would try and like packing myself at least once a week, so that way I can also get a hang of like the stock we have in, which is very important. I need to know that information just so I know how to like restock things and stuff. I was hoping to move the camera to the side, but see, that's the thing. I need to be able to move the stable here so I can put the camera in front of me, because then that way it'll be so much easier. But I've still not gotten around to moving the stable. But anyways, let's just get into it. So as usual, when I pick up the orders, I would let you know what they've ordered and what country shipping to. It's just a bit weird having to keep turning to have this conversation. So let me just try and move the camera. I've got like things piled here because I had a photo shoot yesterday, and we're having a new drop. You're hearing it first here. We're having a new drop. So this person ordered Gloria bralette in an extra small, and it's in the UK. So that's how tiny the package is. Actually, that's quite a big bag for that small order. Gonna get a tiny bag. I don't know if it's gonna fit in here, but I'm gonna try. So tiny, like that's what it is. Okay, let's get in here. Ooh, it actually fits. Okay. Okay, so that's package one. I'll put this on the side because I know it's an international order. This person needs adjustment. She wants the dress to be a bit short because she's not that tall. So I'm going to do that one after. So my kids are still awake at this time. Can you imagine? I need to go put them to bed, and then I would probably come back and finish up, or I may just finish up first and then go put them to bed. I'll see. I'll decide in the next few minutes. Right, so this person ordered Maxwell blazer in a 2XL, and it is an order in the UK. What do you think eating? Did you clear the table? No, you can't forget. Then, go and clear the table with Zoe. When you finish eating, always tidy up the table, unless you left like a housekeeper here. And even at that, you still need to tidy up the table when you finish eating. Close the door, please. Why? Really? Oh. Right, so this person ordered Nana off-shoulder maxi dress in a size 12, and this order is also in the UK. Right, okay guys, so I've had to just go put my kids to bed because obviously it's quite late in the evening. We're trying to get this done. So one thing I forgot to mention is this t-shirt I'm wearing. It says Saved by Grace, and I absolutely love it. So this is for my my t-shirt brand called Ify's Creations. I'm just going to leave that somewhere on the screen here, so you can go check us out. Your first order, you get 20% off your first order, like 20% off your first order. So make sure to go check us out, ifyscreations.com. We've got like really amazing designs. This is actually not on the site yet. Can you imagine? Just saying that now and thinking about it. This is not on the site yet, so I'll need to go put this on the site. So this is like a dark red. I've got a few more colours that I'm going to be putting on the site, but I absolutely love it. I've just been rocking all my Ify's Creations t-shirts all of this summer, so I want you to be part of our t-shirt rocking. So the t-shirts, scrunchies, you can see I've got scrunchies on. Literally we're rocking the brand. I've got the tote bag as well. I mean, that is my proper go-to. Like anywhere I'm going to, I've got my tote bag with me. Like they are really, really strong. So make sure to check that out. I'm going to be putting quite a lot of things on between. By the time this video goes up, Ify's Creation should be at least almost up to standard with a lot of things, because I need to make quite a lot of changes to the website. So I just thought I'll plug this in while I'm recording this video. So do well to check us out, ifyscreation.com. Okay, so this order is, this is the one that wanted adjustment. I think it is. Okay, so next is, so this person ordered Alda in a UK 10, and it's for an order in the UK. So I'm trying to do all the Royal Mail UK orders first, and then I'll do the international ones. Okay, so I'm just going to speed through the rest of the video as quickly as possible because obviously, unless we're like chatting and stuff, which I'm sure you've heard too much of my voice already. Yes, I'm just going to speed through the rest of the video. I'm just checking them to see that there's no issues or errors. And just before I speed through the rest of the video, I want to take a moment to say thank you to everyone, like, for all your support of for all your support. Like, we would not be here if you did not support us. I'm so thankful. Thank you very much for all your orders, for all your referrals as well. Like, I'm really, really, really grateful. Thank you all so much for all your orders. And yeah, I think we can see through the rest of the video now. Right, okay guys, so I have managed to go through quite a lot of things I was hoping to do today. I've got a few left, but I am tired. I've had enough for one day. So I will go have dinner. It's really late to be having dinner, but it happens. It's about 10:30 now, 10:30 p.m. Just to be clear, it's about 10:30 now. I'll go inside. I'll try and get a few things done on my laptop. Obviously, I do not have to be here to get stuff done. So I'm going to get a few things done, and I'll see if I can record tomorrow. But chances are it's not going to happen because I'm not going to be really working here tomorrow, hopefully. Okay, so that's it from me, guys. Hopefully you like the content of this video. I'm going to be doing more like packaging videos when I am the one here doing the packaging. So most times I actually tend to go on live on TikTok and Instagram, but obviously because it's quite late, I decided to record a YouTube vlog, packaging vlog. So maybe next time when I am doing like the packaging, I would go on live and also record a YouTube video and just see how it comes out. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoy the content of the video, thumbs up, like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and turn on the bell notifications when I post any upcoming videos. You get notified, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.